Floodwater, Hurricane Faye, 6 inches over the boat dock. Right where the horseshoe pit is, the end of Grandpa's yard is where all the water come up to. And of course, the day after we get back from Uncle Don's funeral, Grandpa has to mow, which is fine. More concerned about the yard than anything else. Water's over the boat dock about 6 to 8 inches. Last night we seen about 12 alligators out here, right in our backyard. And here's the entrance to our boat dock. Wish there was a gentleman just walking through here knee deep in water out there. I'd be afraid to, no telling how many loose planks come up. Water's up on our wheelchair ramp. Halfway, got half of the picnic table.